Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video and another episode of What Every Cruiser Wants, our weekly show where we share real cruise comments written into Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, Mr. John Heald, with all the things that customers want. Questions, demands, entitlements, and of course our usual and our favorite, but I'm platinum comments that I just love to read to you guys. But this first one, I couldn't answer this one because I really don't know. So let's read it and see if you guys can help out with this one. I have looked at all your videos, John. I like them apart from the fact that you talk too much some of the time. I have, though, never seen you highlight the ship's sauna. Why? I want to know why all of Carnival ships have separate steam room sauna facilities for men and for women. I know a lot of cruise lines are starting to do co-ed steam rooms and saunas, which most Americans are used to and fans of. Why does Carnival not have this option so my wife and me can sauna together? Carnival needs to understand what Americans want, John, and not keep doing the same thing over and over. So this is one I can't really answer. First of all, Tiffany does not like steam rooms and she does not like saunas at all. So co-ed steaming and saunaing is never something that we will be looking at to do, simply because she just doesn't like them at all. So I got to throw the question out there to you guys. Do Americans want co-ed steam rooms and saunas? Do men and women want to do this together? Or do you guys like it separate where it's men, women, or do you just not even use those particular facilities at all? According to this comment, this is what most Americans want, but I'm going to have to throw it out there to actual most Americans out here, and let's see if we can get a real answer to this one. Now for our second one, I've heard this one before. This is something I've read before and I've seen comments on before, but we're going to go ahead and talk about it one more time because I'm really just curious to see if this person is right or if maybe they need to go on a different cruise line. I have to agree with the OP. Halfmoon Cay is nice, but so boring. American families these days are looking for far more than a beach. Most of us can just drive to a nice beach. There should be a huge aqua park. There should be lots of shops and a swim-up bar and an Olympic-sized swimming pool. These are the things that American families want, just saying. Well, I've been to Halfmoon Cay. I loved it. I thought it was relaxing. I snorkeled there, swam in the ocean, followed a stingray around. I had a great time at Halfmoon Cay. Love Halfmoon Cay. Love it just the way it is, with one itty-bitty little exception to that. Not a big fan of the tendering to Halfmoon Cay. A dock would be great. Not a deal breaker in any way, shape, or form, but if I could change one thing about Halfmoon Cay, I'd put a dock in. That way we didn't have to tender, make getting on and off the ship a lot easier. But that's Chris. That's not necessarily everybody, and I don't speak for everybody. I only speak for me. But that throws the question out to you guys. Does a private island need to have an aqua park? Does it need to have an Olympic-sized swimming pool? Or can it just be a quiet, peaceful, natural location? Couple of shops, couple places to eat, and some beautiful white sandy beaches to enjoy a beach day? Or would you rather just get in your car and drive to a beach somewhere close to your home? Or maybe go to a water park at home? Or go to a swimming pool at home? I mean, a lot of those things are things you can get without ever getting on a cruise ship. I personally enjoy Halfmoon the way it is, but what do you guys think? Or, of course, there is the other option that maybe this person needs to go to Coco Cay with Royal Caribbean, where you can get all of these things. You guys let me know what you think below. Should a private island be more like Halfmoon or more like Coco Cay? Maybe somewhere in between. And finally, our third comment. Now, I can only kind of assume from the comment that this person may be a fairly new to cruising. Maybe one cruise, according to the comment, that they've ever taken before, because an experienced cruiser already knows this answer. An experienced cruiser already knows how to take care of this particular issue. I know how to take care of this particular issue. I've got this listed in our description below of this particular issue in case you need it. But let's take a look at the comment. That way you guys can tell me what you think and what your solution is. So I got my luggage tags. Can I use the plastic holders Or will Carnival have a bird, cow, whatever? I know when I didn't use them on my last cruise, they fell off rather easily. It would be nice if Carnival give everyone free plastic holders or had a place to laminate them before checking in the bags. All right, so we're talking about plastic luggage tag holders. You guys have seen them. Experienced cruisers, we already all have them. Clear, they're plastic, boom, you fold up your luggage tag, you slide it inside it. Good for all cruise lines. Everybody can use them. No cruise line that I know of has a problem with them. You can get them on Amazon for a couple of bucks. Got a link to it below if you happen to need some. I use them every time we sail. But what do you guys think? This is why I kind of think this is a fairly new cruiser, because this is a pretty common, pretty well-known cruise tip for experienced cruisers. So not picking on a new cruiser, but don't think that the cruise line is going to give you free luggage tags or give you a free lamination machine or even put a lamination machine out there at the cruise terminal. Could you imagine all those people trying to laminate their luggage tags before getting on the cruise ship? The lines, the mess. It would just be awful. Awful, awful, awful. So the answer, the easiest way to do this, you go over, you buy yourself some luggage tags. Print off your luggage tags, fold it up, stick it in there, get on your cruise ship. Easy peasy, no issues, no problems. Yes, you can do it. No one's going to have a bird or cow about this sort of thing. But you guys let me know below. How do you guys handle your luggage tags? And do you guys use the plastic holders? And has a cruise line ever told you you couldn't? And that's going to be our video for today for Real Cruise Comments of what every cruiser wants. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow, and of course lets you know anytime a new video comes out. Hope everyone has a really great weekend, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.